Today we make egg on toast. I made egg on toast yesterday as well, but I liked it so much that we're gonna eat it again today. I also recorded it, but it didn't come out too well. And you see different ways people make their egg on toast is very different. Everyone makes their egg on toast differently. Some people put milk, some people don't put milk. Some people like to put creme fraiche in their egg on toast, which to me is disgusting. To others may be subjective, I suppose. I put butter on mine as well, like a knob of butter. Knob of butter, put a little bit of milk in there as well. Listening back to my GoPro recordings. Oops. Let me take off this. Listening back to my GoPro recordings, I'm quite a husky human being, huffing like I'm a smoker. I just smoked a pack of cigarettes. Just crazy because I never really hear myself like breathe in, breathe out. What I do is very loud. So now I've heard. Generous knob of butter. That might actually be too much. Pan. Gonna go ahead and pull out our sourdough bread. I got some sourdough because I felt like sourdough today. Well, yesterday. From Morrison's. You go to the counter and they've got like a whole loaf, and you can ask them, yo, can you cut out for me and put it in the bread machine, blah blah, just like any bakery. And Morrison's pretty good for stuff like that. Quite accommodating. Like a poor man's Waitrose. A young man's Waitrose. Right. A little bit of milk. Just a tiny bit of milk. Just make it a little bit creamier. And make sure the butter doesn't burn. And it's just ever so lightly melted. I'm gonna put a bit of salt in there. Pinch. I used to put like pepper in before you cook the eggs, but now I've kind of grown accustomed to putting them in after the eggs are cooked. Don't know, I feel like you can taste more pepper that way. Yesterday's AVOCADO. Clean up of the trash. Alright, smell my eggs, getting a little bit. I started making an omelette, which is not great. I'll scramble it and get it to the desired amount of scramble. Usually I like my eggs like quite smooth and stuff, but it seems as though we are kind of past that. But it's okay. I've got a bad knife for this. Yeah, this plate today. And we'll go ahead and slice up an avocado. Spoon of avocado. Not the best of presentation. Bear work. On my AVOCADO. A little bit of olive oil. Bosh. Oh god. My butter. Don't tell Eddie a brew that I'm using margarine. He'll beat me up. Wake up, guys. Like it like not crispy. I like it like nice and soft. Yeah, yeah. Melty butter. That's fine. Doesn't get stacked up with the dirty dishes. Oops. A lot of eggs. A little bit overdone. Not as creamy as you'd like them to be. Not as glossy. But it's alright, it's only me. A bit of black peps on the AVOCADO as well. Egg on toast today wasn't as good as yesterday's egg on toast. But it's alright. We live. We get better every day. Let's do nothing for today. Egg on toast. Little bosh. I look outside, look at the food. This is what we're gonna be eating today. In the spot, mate. Yeah. Alright. Let's see you later.